In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Canva website template. Before we dive in, there's an important reality to understand so you know exactly what's possible. Canva doesn't let you download a website template as a separate offline file, like a zip or a standalone template package. Templates in Canva live inside the editor. You can open them, customize them, and export your finished design, but the original template itself isn't something you can save to your computer as a file. Knowing this upfront will save you time and set clear expectations. Here's the official way to keep and reuse a website template inside Canva. Start by opening the website template in the Canva editor. You can access it from your Canva homepage or from wherever you found the template. Once it's open, head to the Share menu. If you see the option labeled Use as Template Link, that's the key feature you need. Selecting it generates a special link that, when opened, creates a brand new, editable copy of the design without changing the original. This is different from a normal share link, which can give people view or edit access to the same file. The template link is designed specifically for duplication and reuse. After you create that template link, send it to yourself or to anyone who needs it. You can share it through your preferred method: email, chat, a project document, or a team workspace. The link is portable in the sense that it can be opened from anywhere, but remember, the actual template stays in Canva's cloud. When you or your recipient opens the link, Canva will automatically spin up a fresh copy of the design in your account. From there, you can customize it freely, swap text, replace images, adjust colors, and publish when you're ready, without affecting whoever shared the original template. This approach preserves the structure and layout of the template while giving you full creative control over your own version. One more note to keep in mind. The Use as Template Link feature is currently available to creators on Canva Pro, and some free accounts may not see it. If that option isn't visible, it's likely due to account limitations rather than something you're doing wrong. To wrap up, you can't download a Canva website template as an offline file, but you can save and reuse it by generating a template link, sharing that link, and opening it to create your own editable version in Canva. That's the reliable, supported method for working with website templates on the platform.